If somebody comes to me and they ask for my advice and I tell them my advice and they don't like it and they won't listen to my advice, they're not going to follow it, I say, well, look, you're wasting my time and your money if you're paying me for my advice and you're not going to take it. If you think you know better than me, then maybe you ought to represent yourself, or maybe you ought to go get another attorney. I don't know any other way to do it. I mean, that literally, you ask me a question, I tell you an honest answer, you go, I disagree with that. Well, we're in an impasse. So it's either you fire me, I withdraw, or we don't ever engage. We're not on the same page. We're not simpatico there. If you're looking for somebody who's just going to tell you what you want to hear all the time and just be a rubber stamp for whatever you want, I'm not your guy. This video is not for you. I'm not your lawyer. I'm not going to just say and do whatever you want. I'm not a hired gun. I'm not a mercenary. I'm not a puppet that you've got your hand and you're moving my mouth for me. That's not the way I do things. And I don't think you want somebody like that. If I'm not strong enough to stand up to a potential client or a client, how am I going to be strong enough to stand up to the other attorney or to the DA or to the judge in whatever the situation is? I have to, again, believe in what I'm saying and be convicted, have a strong conviction, strong belief that what I'm saying is right and accurate to be able to make a good case. And just being paid to say something I don't believe, that doesn't work for me. And it won't work for you either, because the judge or jury will know that I don't believe in it and I was just paid to do it.